Hello everyone, this is my review of the Nutristore Ground Beef. This ground beef is free-dried and is already pre-cooked, so you don't have to cook it. You pretty much put it in warm water for about 15 to 20 minutes, and you're pretty much ready to eat it. Once it's absorbed moisture into it, it's ready to go again. And you can use this for meal prepping when you're going camping or outdoors and stuff. So you have meat ready to cook. As you can see, it's pretty dry and kind of hard, but once I put water in it, it will come to life. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes now, and see how soft it is now, and it's ready to eat. You can heat it up a bit if you want to as well. I'm actually going to mix this with some macaroni. As you can see, I'm mixing here with the macaroni. The meat doesn't have that much taste because it doesn't have a lot of salt in it, so you can season it a little bit if you would like to get more taste in it. But I hope this review helped.